Today we're heading down to Isla Morada, which is about 2 hours south of Fort Lauderdale, where I live at, and we're gonna be doing some work. I know. Normally I'm just always playing, I'm going fishing, I'm having fun all the time, but I'm actually going to do some real work. I'm gonna get some real work in. We're gonna be down here in Isla Morada the next, day and a half tomorrow? Yeah, basically a day. We're gonna be here for a day, make some money filming some videos with Seadoo. They got a brand new Seadoo that's for fishing. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna make a little fishing video, we're gonna film some cool stuff, and make a little content for Seadoo, and I'm gonna get paid. Fish bros, look at these things, they're pretty sick. You got this huge Seadoo. It's all built for fishing. You got some speakers, you got the fish finder, you got the cooler on the back, you got the rod holders. You got everything that you need to go out and catch a big old massive fish right on your Seadoo. So pretty epic. Thinking that I might need to buy one of these babies. Sweet, got my own little room right here on the ocean. There's the ocean out there. There's my bed. So it's like sleeping on the ocean. Oceanfront, beachfront view. Oceanfront view, I guess you should call it. It wasn't always like this. When I was younger, I used to do anything I could. Well, I don't want to take that back. I wouldn't do anything I could, but I would film really a lot of things, and I film a lot of bad things in terms of just kind of like not that cool. Like when I was 19 years old, I was filming weddings, and I hated my life. Nothing wrong with filming weddings, but it's just kind of part of your life. When you're a filmer, you gotta put in the time, you gotta put in the effort. I'm 30 years old now, and I've been filming for over 10 years. I've built up my resume. I've got people around the world who basically call me and want to film with me or have stuff going on. So it wasn't always like this. It wasn't always easy. It wasn't always nice places on the beach. At one point, I was sleeping in the kitchen or on the floor or really anywhere someone would put me. So I want to stress that here. I want to stress the fact that it wasn't always this good. When I was younger, I was grinding. I was making a couple $100 a day filming. I was doing everything that I could to make money, and really working hard. And now, 10 years later, after all that work and after all that time, I don't want to say I've officially made it, but life is good. Life is good. Check this out. You got the hot tub. Got the hot tub for you and all of your friends. I mean, I would have fit. That's at least 20 friendly people, like me and 19 girls. No problem. And then over here, you got the pool area, more pool area. We'll call this the hot tub area. We'll call this the pool area with the private little waterfall area. Here we go. Sitting out here, but check out this view. Here's the view. And then down on the dock, in case you're like, hey, I want to go out on my boat today, but I don't want to go out on the, really big boat. We got the really big boat there. But then we've also got the little mini bay boat as well. Got you covered, head to toe, baby. Pretty amazing little spot. So we're basically here filming some stuff, showing what's going on, the action, kind of the preparation for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, waking up early, gonna go out fishing out to the hump. But right now, we're just getting prepped. The drone up, get a couple cool shots with the drone. We're flying with the Mavic 2 here. Got the Mavic 2 in the case there, ready to go. So we're getting a couple shots, see if we can get crazy with the drone. Maybe. All right, so it's early in the morning here in the Keys. We're loading up. We got the Seadoos in the water. We got the fishing poles ready. We got the coolers ready. These are actually, like I said yesterday, kind of really cool. On the back, you got your cooler, you got your rod holders, you got everything you need to go fishing on a Seadoo, which is kind of a new thing. A lot of people normally have boats and they go out and have a big boat. You got the big boat like that one over there, which costs a lot of money to go out fishing on. Or now, you could basically jump on the Seadoo, put a couple, put $100 in it and go fishing all day. So kind of the yin and the yang, it's nice to have the big boat, but also on a day like today when it's totally flat, it's calm out, beautiful day, why not take the Seadoo out and catch some fish? So that's what we're gonna do. Say away 15 miles offshore here off Isla Morada, and you can see back over there, got all the charter boats set up on top of the hump, and right now we're just kind of trolling around, seeing if we can't find some fish out here. Sometimes you might get some tuna, sometimes you might get some mahi-mahi, or you might get nothing. Yeah, it's been one of those days. Some of those days are slow, but we're sitting here on top of some wrecks right now trying to get, just need one meat fish that we can eat for dinner tonight. We need one fish that we can cook up. The sharks, we don't want to eat the sharks. So little jack earlier, that would have been decent eating, but ended up kind of losing it right there at the Seadoo. That's kind of how it goes sometimes. Yeah, my fragile ginger body trying to keep the sun cancer away, you know? We'll see. We'll see if it works or not. We'll see how sunburnt I am later. I feel like I'm pretty covered up right now, so that should be pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna just need one more fish here. Just one fish. That's all we need. Mother Ocean, just bring us one little mutton snapper. We just got back to the dock after being out on the water. What do we wake up at? 6 o'clock. On the water by 6, off the water by 3. Not a bad day. Got a couple fish in the ice chest. I think Captain Nate's gonna make dinner now. Yes. I think that's the plan. He's got a little plan here. He's gonna cool off first. Yeah, gotta cool off. Woo. And then clean the fish. And then have a little dinner. A little clean, little catch, clean, cook. Clean, catch, cook. You know, it's one of those things. We're catching and we're cleaning and we're cooking. I think like Nate said earlier, any day on the water is a good day. If you catch fish, it's a bonus. But at the end of the day, it's all about just going out there, having a good time. So I'm gonna get cleaned up, jump in the pool, cool off. It's been a hot one. It has been a hot one. I think I lost about 5 pounds a day. It's like a constant sauna out there. Back after a long day of work, long day out there working hard, coming back, sitting in the pool and relaxing. Talk about a money, just a perfect setup. You got the boat, you got the pool, you got the hot tub, you got the waterfall, you got the bar, you got the grill, you got Captain Nate over there already cleaning the fish. I mean, it's gonna be a good day, or it's gonna be a good dinner. Got some fresh mutton snapper, and overall, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. Look at this little fountain going on there. It's like a little kiddie pool area. All right, so we are wrapping up here in the Keys. About to cook some dinner with the fish that we caught today. We got 2 mutton snappers, so we're gonna cook those up, a little ceviche, and then we're gonna cook up some swordfish steaks as well on the grill. So beautiful day here in the Keys. It's always a beautiful day in the Keys, but especially today, having a lot of fun, going out and doing something a little bit different, making a little bit of money, and enjoying life. And that's really what it's all about, my friends. At the end of the day, the YouTube drama, the YouTube comments, the YouTube hate, it's not real. This is real living. We're out here. I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button.